How I took advantage of a trending topic yesterday and was able to make a product that I could sell. Okay. Now, as you all know, yesterday we were dealing with the Capitol Hill, right, where people had gone into Capitol Hill, they had invaded, and all these things were going on. We have the presidential elections and things like that are happening. But I just want to be able to show you how to capitalize off of things that happen in the world and be able to sell a product and actually make money for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the computer and I'm going to be able to show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right. So right here, right, if you go to Google Trends, and I'm going to put the descriptions in the link below. So if you go to Google Trends right here, you're going to be able to see, right, what was trending today. And as you go down, you're going to see things that were trending yesterday, right? So you have these things right here. So you can go and capitalize off of this, but I want to go down yesterday, Washington, D.C. riots, right? I want you to be able to see that Washington, D.C. riots. So as you can see right here, if you open this up, there was 50K searches and boom, all you see Capitol Hill riots and their connections. You're going to see tons of news about it and things like that. So you're going to be able to use that data. You're going to be able to use that information. You're going to be able to use like the titles and stuff like that, right? So if you go and you continue state capital right here, boom, 20K searches, over 20,000 searches. Here's a title so you can use. You want to use these for your titles for your YouTube video. Okay, boom, so you got that. All right, well, let's go down to more riot in DC, another one right there. And if you keep loading more, you're probably gonna see more. White House, Capitol, right? Washington Post, news, protest, National Guard, keep going. This was yesterday. Well, this is Tuesdays. Trump, CNN Live, Washington, D.C., the weekend, of course, things like that, right? So you're going to be able to use this information to actually get things trending on YouTube, right? Now, what I did was I actually used that information and I went and I created a shirt. I created a shirt. This shirt is going to be something that trends for a little while, right? We have pandemic, GA flipped, right? Yesterday, Georgia got flipped from a Republican to a Democratic state. Then you have guns in the Capitol. That happened yesterday. That happened the day I released the shirt. All right. Then I said season finale of America, right? It's comedy. It's funny. It's to make light of the situations that we're in. We're dealing with a lot. So I wanted to kind of have something where people could remember the day, right? Remember what's going on. So this shirt is going to be a shirt that actually is going to be able to be worn forever. Okay. So not only did we make a shirt, we made a face mask, which we know everybody's having to wear a mask as a pandemic. So you capitalize in that aspect. Then we got the mug for the people who don't want to wear it. They can just have the cup. And then you have the traditional t-shirt, okay? Now, I did all that. I did two colors, the blue and I did the black, right? So we got those things going on. We have a shirt for it. Now, not only did I do that, I went ahead and I actually gonna go back over here and show you guys that I actually made a video. I was watching CNN and I screen recorded CNN and I made a video. So this is the video right here that you're going to be able to see, the video that I have. And then I'm going to show you right down here what's in the description. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close this out. Close this out. So what does it say? Pay for my tees. What does it take you to? It takes you to the t-shirt. So I get free traffic from making this video, and I use things that were happening. CNN reports mob invades Capitol, Donald Trump speaks before Joe Biden, right? I use the information that we found from Google Trends to then use up for my titles and my tags for my YouTube video. Then people are gonna come here, traffic is gonna come here naturally, and then I have my t-shirt. So that's how I make the money for the video being monetized, right? So if you're not making money from YouTube, you can actually be making money from the video sending traffic to your product, right? And it cost me nothing to make the t-shirt. I've never touched the t-shirt. I don't have one of the t-shirts. This has all happened literally yesterday. If you look at the date right here, January the 6th, today is January the 7th. Okay, so this was all yesterday. The situation happened yesterday at Capitol Hill. Within minutes, I was putting it up. As soon as I heard about it, I went to CNN, screen recorded CNN, got me some video footage. Once I had the video footage, then I was able to make the shirt, okay? So you'll be able to see, like right here, 23 hours ago. This all happened 23 hours ago. I made the shirt in less than 16 minutes. it was up for sale, and I've sold over 10 shirts in the last 23 hours from just traffic from here. Now, what do you think is going to happen as the video picks up, as this t-shirt sales picks up? It's going to start trending on its own. But that's how you take advantage of things that are going on in the world. Anytime something happens, you can capitalize in any niche or any space. You can do cooking, sports. There's certain things out there that people like, and they know the news in that space. They know what's going on in that space, right? So you want to be able to take advantage of those things when you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I made the t-shirt and how I did everything in the next video clip.